Hello and welcome to 429 14th Street. This is a lovely condominium. Mailboxes are to the left. You walk into this nice foyer. Straight ahead is the parking garage. This unit comes with one car parking. It is a parking stall to the right. And here's the entrance to the garage. Garbage, trash, and recycling is located here as well. Okay, so this unit is located walking distance to many wonderful restaurant shops and conveniences. It's a very convenient location. So we're going to head on up to the top floor, unit number 4. This is a light-filled unit. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. There's a nice long hallway. Immediately to the left is your telephone system to buzz people in. You have a half bath here, so toilet, there's your shelf and sink tucked away behind the door. The kitchen is to the left, your full bathroom here to the right. You have a wonderful clawfoot tub, shower combination, and there is your sink and medicine cabinet. Okay, so here is a nice deep closet. You have access from the hallway as well as the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Nice bay window. Lots of beautiful Victorian molding. There's a picture rail here as well. It's a very quiet building and location. Okay, and here is the closet for this bedroom. Here's a peek out the window. You can see a beautiful palm tree and the city. Okay, the living room is spacious. You have a decorative fireplace, built-in cabinets, lots of natural light, beautiful details. And here's a peek out the window here. Okay, now we're going to head on into the kitchen. This is a spacious eat-in kitchen. Nice refrigerator. There's your gas range, dishwasher, plenty of shelving and space here for a kitchen island or table. You have a nice skylight that lets in lots of natural light. You also have a nice big pantry. And this room is where your laundry machines are. These are private to this unit. Okay, if you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.